Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, today we are going to start our fourth lesson. What is our fourth lesson name? We are for you. Okay, so let us start the lesson. So children, do you know we are depends on plants for our daily needs. How we are depends on plants? Do you know? Yes, we will all depends on plants as we will use it fruits, vegetables. Then these fruits, vegetables and all where it comes from the plants only. Yes or no? Yes. So we will depends on plants, like we will use the fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, grains, spices, oil, medicines. So these all oil and medicine spices are we will get from plants only. Yes, no? Yes. Okay. So next, so children, here we will see plant and its parts. So this is a plant. Okay. Next, leaf. So this is the leaf. Flower, root, stem, fruit. Okay. So children, these are the parts of the plant. So children, do you know we all use all the parts of the plant? How we will use? Do you know? Yes. Even the root part also, flower, stem, fruit, leaf, all the parts we will use it in our daily life. How we will use the root, children? Yes. So here we will use the root as vegetable. Like what? Carrot. Have you seen the carrot, children? How it will grow? In under the ground. Under the ground it will grow. So next example is beetroot and ginger, potato and all. Okay, so even we will use the root part also. So the next is stem. So how we will use the stem? What are the examples? Sugarcane and banana stem. We will use banana stem and sugarcane. Yes or no? Yes. So the next part, flower. What are the examples for flower? Cauliflower, broccoli and all. Okay. Next, fruit. So fruits we usually all we will like fruit and eat fruit. Isn't it? Many types of fruits are there. For example, tomato, mango, apple, orange, etc. Yes, no? Yes. So the next part, leaf. So how we will use the leaf? Spinach, we will use it in our kitchen as a vegetable in our food. Yes. Curry leaves, coriander, mint, etc. Yes, no? So these are all are the parts of plant we will use it in our daily life or else in our food. Okay. So next we will start our textual part. So this is the lesson we are for you, and you can observe the picture, children. What is that? So my fruit is very tasty. My tender water is so sweet. Dry leaves can light a fire. The sticks of leaves make a broom. My husk can make a mat, and the rest can make a rope. Who am I? Who is this, children? Yes, correct. Coconut tree. So from the coconut tree we will get so many things. What and all we will get? Coconut, fruit and tender water, and we can make broom and we can make mat. You can see in the picture, and we can make rope also, and we will use this in the function for decoration, isn't it? Yes. So here we should write what does the coconut tree give. So coconut tree give fruit, tender water, leaves, and we can make mat, broom, and can light a fire, etc. Isn't it? This is all about the coconut tree. So next, tasty, tasty fruit. The raw is cooked, leaves used for meals, and fiber for cloths. Who am I? Who is this, children? Yes, correct. Banana plant. Isn't it? Yes. So this banana we will eat. Banana fruit we will eat, but raw banana we will cook and eat. Yes, no? Yes, and we'll get banana leaf, and from this leaf we will use it for meals. Yes, no? Yes, and we'll get banana fiber also. From this banana fiber, what we will do? We can make cloths. Okay. Name the plant in the above picture. Which plant it is? Banana plant. What are the advantages of this plant? We get leaves, fruits, firewood, coir, etc. Say the names of different fruit trees. So many different fruit trees are there. Banana, like banana, still mango tree, apple, isn't it? Yes, so many are there. Say the names of different fruit trees. Ask and know the names of the plants who leaves around used to serve food. Okay, like banana leaf, in which plant leaf we will use that betel nut tree, children. Have you heard? Yes. Even one more is there, that betel nut trees leaves we will use for meals. Yes, no? Yes. So next we get leaves, fruits, firewood, coir, etc. from plants. Okay. Next. So here, children, so many plants are there. So all the plants we will use it for different types of things. For example, papaya we will use it for fruit. We will use the papaya fruit. Next it is their groundnut. In this groundnut plant we will use groundnuts, isn't it? Yes. And jower. So the third picture is jower. And next grapes, brinjal. In the grapes we will use fruit, grapes. In brinjal plant, brinjal, tomato, and the next plant is chili, peas, ginger, onion, carrot, curry leaves. Okay. So children, as we know, all the plants will give fruit, leaves and all. But particularly, we will use particular fruits, leaves and all. In banana plant, we will use leaf, fruit, stem and all. But in papaya plant, papaya tree, we will use only fruit. Yes, no? Yes. So we have written the names of these plants here. So next, write the names of 5 grains, 5 vegetables and 5 fruits that you have eaten. So here we should write grains, vegetables, fruits. So you know vegetables and fruits. Yes, no, children? Yes. So what are grains, children? So grains means we can say hard seeds, which we will get from the plants. Okay, hard seeds. You can see in the picture, for example, rice, wheat, sunflower, corn, coffee seeds, barley. Okay, these are the examples for grains. So here we should write 5 grains. So what are those? Rice, wheat, corn, ragi, sunflower. And we should write with 5 vegetables: beans, carrot, brinjal, radish, potato. Fruits: mango, apple, pineapple, papaya, grapes. Okay, we get grains like rice, dal, wheat, ragi, and vegetables, fruits also. So one song is there, children. Here comes the vegetable seller. I always look at her with wonder. The many colors of fruits and many types of vegetables bring a glint to my eyes and make my mouth water. I buy all at them to eat and grow stronger. So if you eat vegetables, fruits, grains means you will become stronger. Here we have a lovely garden full of jasmine, rose and lily, spreading fragrance all over while the bees and flowers play. In garden we can see so many types of flowers, isn't it? Even we can see bees. Okay. So next, so here children we can see different types of flowers, and how we will use the flowers, and flowers also we will get from the plant only. Yes or no? Yes. So what and all purpose we will use the flowers? See in the picture. So we will use to wear. If any function is there means your mother, sister and all will use to wear, no? Yes. And for honeybees. Even they will eat the nectar in flower. Nectar will be there, that is the food of honeybees. And flower we will use it for decoration. If any functions are there means we will use it for decoration. Yes, no? Yes. So name the flowers used in your house. Why are they used? Name the flowers grown in your garden. So we get different types of flowers from plants. Flowers are used for decoration. So here some flowers are there. What are those? Like rose, marigold, hibiscus, pansy, tulip, sunflower. So many are there, isn't it? So we get different types of flower from plants and we will use it for decoration. So children, in this lesson, we have finished only few pages. Okay, this is we can consider as a part 1. Okay, today how much we have finished? You can read the lesson. So in the next video, again we will continue the same lesson, children. So with this video, you will not get the notes. Next video, with the next video, I will send the notes, children. So you do the homework. What is the homework? Read the lesson first and do the working pages. And draw banana plant and coconut tree. Okay, children? Thank you.